To begin with the filter replacement, press on the side button and push against it to be able to take the cover out. Turn the shorter part of the filter outwards. Once you have done that, press from the top, press down, and take the filter out. When you place the new filter in, please be sure to put enough pressure for the spring to go downwards. Put in the new filter towards the bottom and push down in order to be able to adjust the filter to go in. Then you turn it inwards again. You must put the cover back on by adjusting it onto this side first and then making sure the cover is on properly. After replacing the filter, you must do the filter reset. In order to do the filter reset, press on the purified button and hold it down for 15 to 20 seconds until the filter bars become full. After the filter bars are full, you must take water out on the purified level for 3 minutes. After the water has been disposed for 3 minutes, you are ready to drink water.